Hi, today I'm going to show you a simple idea how to make your low cost and very effective gun lock that provides an additional layer of security for your gun. As gun owners, of course, we always have gun safety at our very close to our heart, and it's also a responsibility. So what I bought is a chain link. This is a link of a chain. I went to the DIY tool market where you can buy chains by the meter, and I said, can I buy one link? And they said, oh, no problem at all. So I think I paid $2 or $3. They cut it off for me, and this is a 12 millimeter strong steel chain link. To make sure it doesn't scratch my bolt, I put some tape around it just to make sure the bolt doesn't get in touch with the steel from the chain link. So the idea is as follows: you take your bolt and push it through the chain link. Take either that way or that way, doesn't matter. Take the padlock and put it around through the chain link and through the bolt handle. So that can't come off this way, it can't come off that direction. And what we have here is a very, very fast, efficient, very effective and particularly low cost gun lock that secures your gun. I think it's an additional measure. I think it's more safe than a trigger guard. It's something that you can use on the go or while you're on the gun range. How safe and how good is it? Well, it depends, of course, on the materials of the chain link, how hard this is, how strong it is, but it needs to, of course, would need to cut through it on both ends to get it off. It also depends, of course, on how strong your padlock is. Is something cheap, relatively cheap or a simple one like this one, or if you put a high security one with a more complex lock to it. And of course it also depends on how well skilled and well trained and equipped any thief is, somebody who wants to have an unauthorized access to your gun. But this additional measure, I think it is quite good. It's probably better than a trigger guard. And if you lock your gun into your gun safe separately or in addition to this, then it's definitely a good thing to do. And if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel.